everybody, this is my third and final video for the day. I am beat, but I'm not as bad off as the mailman because he came to our house 3 times. He kept losing my packages and had to come back. But during one of those times, he brought me a BAM box. I think this is the regular one. I like the horror one a whole lot, but this is a regular one. So we'll see what this has in it. This is a real quick slip. Now it's slit. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it just works out better if I do it my own self with my, I don't know. I'm mumbling, I know. Well, I have to make sure the cap's on because I freak out if I look down there and it's gone and the cap could be who knows where. Okay, so I am going to open the box because you guys get the privilege of seeing it. Oh. All falling out. That would be funny. I'm seeing it first. Don't tell me what's in it.
No.
Can they see it? Ow, why?
All the shoes at the back of the box, white.
Oh, I'm sorry. How's that?
All the shoes, black paper.
Jeez. There. Is that better?
No, we got to tilt it down. Bottom, tilt down. Up, not the other way.
Okay.
You can't see nothing. Maybe they can see it
A little bit. They have to see all of it.
Raise it up and tilt it down. There we go. I don't know what this shit is.
Okay, first I'm mad because my channel has been changed, and second I'm mad because I'm almost positive you just made me do a bunch of crap I didn't have to do. You know, some guy just asked me if I beat you up off camera. Well, guess what? Come on to camera. I will beat you in front of people.
I got the bruises.
Well, there's not much in this box. What is this? Oops. I don't think I have my BAM box. This doesn't look like it's all here, does it?
Well, your black paper's over here. That was taking up all the room.
Is there anything in the paper?
Nope.
Okay. This is scaring me. Yeah, this must be the horror one, but I don't... There's usually more than this. It wasn't open, was it? I'll have to look at other people's. Anyways, yeah, this is the horror box. So we have, well, I can't see it very well. I think it's from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Pretty sure.
Sure it's not Negan?
No, it's not Negan. Stop reminding me. I have this thing that says Lamia Curse, but I don't have anything that goes with it. Oh, this is Twisty from American Horror Story, both season, what was that season called with the carnival? I don't remember. But then American Horror Story, this last one, which is called Cult. He was in both of them. Maybe that goes in there. Nope. I don't think my whole box is here. Because if it were, oh, here's something. Oh, maybe this goes there. Dark Matters props. The Darkness Curse Demon Stone replica. I really hope it's a replica. I don't know what this is for. Obviously, I just don't think this is full. I'm going to have to get a hold of them tomorrow and say I got my BAM box, but didn't have much in it. Okay, this is a button inside of a plastic. Oh, creepy. Okay. Who is that?
That's the clown, isn't it?
Know what it is. Is it? I don't know. It's creeping me out, though.
You don't have a paper in there?
Hmm?
It usually comes with a paper.
Yeah, I got the paper. And I've got autographs. This 8x10. Oh, cool. This 8x10 has been hand signed by the Crazy Babysitter twins, Electra and Elise Avalane from Planet Terror. It was signed during a private signing with the BAM box. Well, this is awesome. I have not seen this film, and I definitely do have to see it. I know my kids have seen it. My eldest daughter is into this horror film stuff because I got her into it. The other, yeah, usually they come in, no, I guess they don't. The other one, this one is called The Art of Brett Weldell. And it is this. And on the back, it says, this BAM Horror Box fan art collection art print, The Thing, has been hand signed by the artist Brett Wildel and is guaranteed to be authentic. I didn't even recognize that as The Thing, but I should have recognized Kurt Russell. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's all there is in my box, and I'm unhappy. But I just bet you they'll help me out. Or maybe that's it. Maybe that is full, but I don't know what goes here.
Read your instruction book.
Yes, I'll read my instructions. I'll be like you. I'll just do it without instructions. This is just completely creeping me out. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Waving at you.
It better not. I'll stay outside with the bear and be safer than in here. I got one pin and one patch. I just don't know what this belongs to. Lamia curse. Maybe that's it. The curse is there's nothing there. I don't know.
Fantastic Beast is invisible.
Okay, so let's see what we're missing. This is a November box, 2018. And it has a very sad little turkey because he's been stabbed with a big old butcher knife. Okay, so there we go. We could have gotten different stones, but we got 1 of 5, and we got, I gotta look because 2 of them look a lot alike. we got this one. But as you can see, there's 4 other ones. I don't want to know what happens when they all get together. You never want that. Because it's scary stuff. Okay, I said that shamans conducted secret ceremonies with powerful animal spirits. In my way. With powerful animal spirits for blessings that were paid with sacrifice and offerings. When one aligns the animal stones in perfect order, what did I say? The darkness ensues, and an infestation of demons plagues the victims with a dark cloud of horror and destruction.
Let's try it.
You will receive the snake, the wolf, the crow, the buffalo, or the coyote, brought to you from Dark Matter Props. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'm starting to see it now. This Drag Me to Hell. This is from Drag Me to Hell, which is, if you haven't seen it, it's a really good movie and really creepy. The Lumia is an ancient and powerful demon that can be called upon. What is it with demons all of a sudden? How come there's no like or anything like that? This is all like freaking demons. The Lamia is an ancient and powerful demon that can be called upon by evil sorcerers or witches, as well as gypsies, who seek revenge on people who have wronged them. Christine Brown incurred the wrath of an old gypsy homemaker known as Sylvia Ganush. Sorry if I said that wrong. Who cursed one of the buttons of her coat with the Lamia curse, which resulted in the demonic spirit targeting Christine as its next victim. This button replica comes in a custom floating case. Yeah, but then what does this do? I don't know what that does. Doesn't say anything about it, so I'm not going to worry on it. That's all that was.
Isn't that it though there?
Where? Yeah, but it doesn't say what to do with it. I'm thinking, you know, it just seems like this should
fit on there.
But it doesn't. It's way too. It isn't. Yeah, Tara's dumb again. The box wasn't empty.
Call the spirit.
You call any spirits, and I swear you will not know the wrath of anything but me. Okay, so this is the way it goes. And I'm not sure I'll be putting this up and keeping it like that because it's just creepy. Which I guess is the point. But what if, now this would make a good movie, so if you're a producer, director, actor, whatever, think about this. What if between the Lamia curse and this little darling, what if they got together and somehow made like their own curse or called their own demons?
The closer they get, the little electric current starts running.
You watch too many horror movies, and you're sitting on my damn hair. Okay, so there's a special edition. Leave me alone. There's a special edition of this print, and we did not get it. So I'm sad again. I'm a sad Tara. But it's okay, because I don't really need it. I've got... Trust... I've got Twisty. Did that hurt? I've got Twisty. Okay, don't! Stop it! Here, look at it though. It's creepy. Is it just... It's supposed to be just a button. It's just a button, but when you look at it...
Looks like it's moving.
No, it doesn't look anything. A face comes. Okay, well, you know, whatever. So this was the November 2017 horror box. And it is one of my favorite boxes of that I get, although I love the Harry Potter box, which I taped this past week, I think. Bill is once again making me crazy, which isn't a far ride, but still. And I'll remind you once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you want notifications, so you know when I put up a new video, please hit notifications. I hate you. Stop it! All I wanted to do was make a little bit of YouTube videos. I'm not asking for much.
I tried to hold it till I got in there, but the mouth.
Pulled my hair again. So that's what I look like when I'm mortified. This winter.
I know it well.
I don't know what I was talking about, but let's start over. So I have the band box. I'm kidding. Because I've got to be, I'm in a big hurry because somebody's going outside to sleep. And I've got to make sure he's got like a meat smell all over him. Because the bear likes that. Anyways, subscribe. Hit notifications so you know when I put up a new video. And thumbs up if you like the video. And leave me a comment. I would like to hear what you think. Be nice, please. Just this once. I want a divorce. Quickly. Oh. I gave you 3. I gave you 3. I only got 2, and basically you licked my hand. Okay, we're done. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. And I want to say thank you for everybody who has been watching this and has been who has been watching this and well, you haven't been watching this one yet, but thank you to the people who... I gotta go. Alrighty, well, I love you all. Bye-bye. I swear to God.